Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use z-index. To begin, understand that z-index is a CSS property that dictates the stacking order of elements on a web page. Think of it as the depth of an element on the screen. Elements with a higher z-index value will appear closer to the viewer, overlapping those with lower values. Remember, this property only works on elements that have a position value other than its default static setting. Applying z-index is straightforward. You simply assign a numerical value to the property. For instance, an element with a z-index of 10 will sit above one with a z-index of 5. If elements don't have an explicit z-index, their stacking order is determined by their sequence in the HTML document. Interestingly, you can even use negative values to place an element behind its parent or other content, creating unique visual effects. Understanding stacking contexts is crucial for mastering z-index. A stacking context is essentially a local three-dimensional environment where elements are stacked. When a new stacking context is formed, perhaps by properties like opacity less than 1 or transform, its children are stacked entirely within it. This means a child element z-index is only compared to its siblings within that specific context, not across the entire document. For best practices, try to use z-index sparingly to prevent complex and hard-to-debug stacking problems. It's often helpful to keep your z-index values relatively low and consistent, perhaps using increments of 1 or 10 rather than very large numbers. This makes your code easier to manage and understand. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your clean game, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.